She lost her voice from ALS, but thanks to a brain implant in Beijing, this patient can speak again. Through a computer, she says, "I want to eat." Her voice restored after a coin-sized chip was implanted into the top of her brain. The breakthrough chip is called Beina-1, a semi-invasive and wireless brain-computer interface, or BCI system. Thank you for inviting us to your lab. The chief scientist behind it has given CNN rare access to his lab.
This is a human brain model. In doing a real surgery, the scalp will be open, and the sensor will collect these neuronal signals and transmit the signals to this external device. And this signal will be processed for external device control.
For the patients who have been implanted with your BCI systems, how are they reacting to the system?
The patients were saying that this feels so great, like they can regain the control of the muscles.
So far, Luo and his team say that they have implanted 5 patients with the Beina-1 chip. China's breakthroughs are revealing a growing ambition to rival industry leaders like Elon Musk's Neuralink.
China has definitely shown the ability to not just catch up, but also then be competitive, and now actually to start also to drive the field in some areas.
In March, a paralyzed patient was able to walk with the help of a harness and standing frame after a brain tech implant by researchers from China's Fudan University. In April, a patient with a debilitating form of epilepsy was able to play complex video games thanks to a BCI chip from Chinese company Neuralink. And in May, a patient with no limbs was able to play racing and chess games after a brain implant from Shanghai-based StairMed. Western experts say breakthroughs in basic science have traditionally been led by the United States, but China has the edge on commercialization, turning brain technology into an actual product that consumers want to buy. Hangzhou-based BrainCo is a pioneer in commercialization. It develops non-invasive BCI devices that are wearable, like this robotic glove. BrainCo was founded at the Harvard Innovation Lab in 2015. Chinese officials later convinced the team to move to China.
The Chinese government has been able to attract a lot of talent from the U.S. By providing resources for individuals to do their research in China. And so it is a global competition.
Luo and his team are speeding up human trials with plans to implant their chip into 50 to 100 more patients next year.
We are hoping that we can move this process faster. If it's proven to be safe and effective, then we can get the approval so that it can be used clinically across the world.
Development is also underway for the next generation Beina-2, a chip to restore speech, mobility, and hope from a lab in China. Kristie, Stout, CNN, Hong Kong.